Hello friends, let's start Kanji Masho 14 and 4 Kanjis 5. This kanji is Yumi, which means arrow. This kanji is used as radical in many kanjis. For example, Ototo kanji. Ototo means younger brother. In this, there is arrow radical and two strokes to indicate which is still coming up, not old. So this kanji means younger brother. Its onyomi is tai, dai or they. The same yumi kanji radical is used in the kanji yowai. Yowai means weak. This kanji has two arrow radicals and two strokes within each arrow radical to say cut. So arrow which is cut. When the arrow is cut, the person becomes weak. So this kanji means weak. Onyomi is jaku. Same arrow radical comes in powerful kanji also. The arrow is faster than all types of flies. This kanji is fly kanji, and this kanji is soul or self. Fly self means flies like mosquito, and this arrow is faster than any kind of fly, so it is powerful. This kanji means powerful. Kunyomi is tsuyoi and onyomi is kyo or go. This kanji comes in the word benkyo, means study. Matsu kanji. In this radical means follow. We have seen this in other kanji masho videos. The lower radical is man radical and the upper stroke is following the man radical. So this radical means follow, and this kanji radical is of Tera, that is Japanese temple. It is used in time kanji, so it is associated with time. So these two radicals together mean following time, that is wait. Kunyomi is matsu and onyomi is tai. This kanji is kokoro kanji. Kokoro means heart or mind or spirit. This heart kanji resembles the shape of heart, and three strokes indicate blood flowing in and out of heart. So this kanji means heart. Onyomi is shin. This heart kanji forms a radical in many kanjis. For example, this omou kanji. Omou means think. It has rice field kanji radical and heart kanji radical. That means field of heart. The sphere of heart is thinking. So this kanji means think. Onyomi is she. Next kanji in which heart radical is used is isogu. Isogu means rush, hasten. This has heart radical and fallen mountain radical, which you have already seen. Fallen mountain means power lost, and this radical means cut. So power is totally lost and gone. When you are in a hurry, you have to stop any kind of thinking, which is the heart's business, and you have to run. So this kanji means rush, hasten. Onyomi is Q. Next kanji in which heart radical is used in the N4 syllabus is Varui kanji. Varui means bad. It also means Nikui. Nikui means hateful. In this kanji, there is heart radical and another radical which is used to express next in importance. When heart gets secondary importance, whatever you decide is very bad. So this kanji means bad. Its onyomi is aku or o. Another kanji in which heart radical is used is E kanji. This kanji has heart radical and sound radical. This kanji is sound kanji. So heart's sound, that is opinion expressed. So it is idea, thought or mind. Next kanji is tokoro, that is place, site. This kanji has a door radical and axe radical. That means door has been cut open. It is open to a new place. This kanji means place, site. Its onyomi is sho, small sho, sho. Motsu kanji. Motsu means have, hold. This kanji too has the tera kanji and hand kanji. Hand which has something precious. That means hand is carrying something. So this kanji means have, hold, and its onyomi is ji. Oshieru kanji. Oshieru means teach, or it is also used to say faiths of many types like Christianity, etc. This kanji has first radical, which is a kanji which means filial piety or respect to the elders. And the second kanji is very similar to the woman kanji. So a child which is following its mother. This kanji means teach. Its onyomi is kyo. Mon kanji. Bun or mon means sentence or art. This has two strokes that cross each other and a lead radical. Its kunyomi is fumi or oya. This kunyomi is rarely used. Onyomi is very common, which is bun or mon. Bunpo. Bunpo means grammar, which is a very common word. Ryo. This kanji does not have kunyomi. Onyomi is ryo. It means fee or materials. The first radical is rice kanji, and second radical indicates measure. These two together mean the ingredients used in cooking or things like that. So rice measure, it means materials used in something. Ryo kanji is used in the word ryori. Ryori means cooking. Ho kata kanji. This kanji means direction or person. When the onyomi ho is used, it means direction, and when the kunyomi kata is used, this kanji means person. This has the 1000 kanji with a stroke on top. So many different directions. Ho kanji is commonly used in the word ho ho. Ho ho means methods. This direction kanji is used as a radical in travel kanji. Tabi, trip, travel. This kanji has direction kanji radical and another radical which indicates flowing. So going in many directions is travel. Its onyomi is ryo, small ryo, ryo. This is most commonly used in the word ryoko. Ryoko means travel. Now let us see if you remember all the kanjis taught just now.